Hi, sweetie. Hi.
Oi! What happened?
Hi. What happened? Gone. Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to our channel. So it's another day, guys. It's another vlog. But guys, you get no idea how exhausted I am, guys. So as you can see, I'm still in the car. I've been driving for 2 hours, guys. So I was in the car straight 2 hours. It's very tiring, guys. Oh my god. It's anyways, I just need to actually just, you know, try to relax now, guys, and you know, stop upsetting myself, because you know it's not gonna do me good. So yeah, so guys, I am currently in High Point Shopping Center now, guys. So it's Thursday night, and if you've been watching my previous video, guys, so Thursday night is date night for me and Daddy. We haven't been doing it for a while now because I don't know, I think we just got so busy, and also Daddy is on paternity leave, so he's not working at the moment, guys. And yeah, so when I get home, he's at home, so sometimes I just feel tired and okay, we just, you know, not go out anymore. Because before, when he was working, then, you know, because he works in the city, guys, so after our work, we meet up in the city and, you know, find a restaurant to go to for dinner. So yeah, so we haven't been doing it for a while. So this morning I woke up so early, got ready for work. Dada also got up early because he went to the gym. So yeah, so I asked him out, I said, like, you know, would you like to go out tonight for dinner, because, you know, we need to catch up. we have to do it because, you know, it's been ages since the last time. So yeah, guys, I think he's here now, guys, because he came here before. And he said he just wait for me here. So I think he's been waiting for me for 2 hours too, guys. But anyways, I'm gonna go out now, guys, and I'll see you all inside. So I'm here now, guys. Actually, I haven't picked a place to go yet, but Daddy said he's waiting for me outside McDonald's, and then we'll decide where to go from there. No, Daddy. So guys, I'm just whinging to Daddy how long it took me to get here from work. It's crazy. How are you, Daddy?
Yeah, good.
Did you get your haircut?
Yeah, work was good today.
You? Yeah, Bob. So yeah, guys, he's not working. Lucky bugger. But yeah, we don't know where to go yet, guys. We're gonna find a place to go eat. What's that, Daddy? I said the shorts. Did you buy me something?
Yeah. I did.
What? Sure? This is not mine, it's for you. What's this one?
It's for the fitness band.
Ah.
You can use it.
Bob, I think you bought a lot already. Like,
already.
you had one before.
I lost it.
So we're gonna have dumplings plus. Oh, they've got this here, Daddy. Ooh,
What?
that one.
Ramen.
Is that the Japanese chai? Japanese chai, the salmon chai? That's the one. Isn't it? That's the name. Have a look. They also have sardine squares. That's Vietnamese. We got the minute chicken. Mimi loves that. And what else? I think there's like Malaysian one in the back as well. This is the one, yeah?
Yes, but I'm gonna have to get the rice.
Ooh, here it is. No, Daddy, I didn't know they have it here, Daddy.
Let's go.
Oh, well, that makes sense.
I was going to just put my bag down.
Gentlewoman siya, guys. I have to ask him.
Find a way, Bob.
Yeah. Just share a little bit what you're getting. Can you get me the same thing? Salmon chan?
Sure. And thanks for shouting, Bob.
Huh?
Thanks for the shout tonight.
Stay?
Thank you for the shout.
Yeah, guys, it's my shout, guys, because I asked him out. I'm a gentlewoman. Oh, this one is what I love, guys. It's just fried rice but with salmon. Yum.
Anything else?
Lemon lime. It's here. Yes, this is my all-time favorite. It's just a basic fried rice, guys, with the salmon. Alam niyo naman ako, guys, hindi mahirap sayahin. Alright, bon appetit. We just finished our dinner, guys. I like my food, guys. I like my dinner. So we're just gonna walk around for a little bit and then we'll head home. Did you like your dinner, Daddy?
Yeah, it was very nice. Thank you, Bob.
Oh, look at this guy. Mackenzie. I think this is made for Paris, Daddy. How much is this one? So cute. This one too.
Let's stop there.
Oh yeah. How much?
44. The jumper.
40 just for the jumper.
Yeah. And the pants.
So 40 also?
Can't tell.
That's expensive, guys. If it's $80 for that set.
Well, it's about what you pay here.
This is Mackenzie today. Guys, we're just trying glasses. What do you think of these? So cute. Do you like this one, Daddy? Yeah? We still got a lot here, guys. There's something else. This one. We just bought this from KFC. It's the girl bucket. So it's the chicken nuggets and the chicken popcorn because Paris loves that. And I just bought like an ice Pepsi. And now we're just waiting for Mimi's custard bun because we have to wait for 10 minutes. Hello, sweetie. Hi.
What happened?
What happened? Gone. Eyes. Where's the eyes? Mama, kiss na baby. Oh. Ooh. Come on. Oh, come here. Come here, kiss Mama. Magkalo. Yeah. Come here. Come here, princess. We had to get 4 because wala may kuan cash. $10 lang minimum. We had to get 4. Thank you. Honey! Just big girl mo kayang baby. Oh, kiss Mama B. Quick! Kiss Mama B. Just miss mo na ni Mama. Ah, bye-bye, Croc. Hi. Kiss Mama B. Kaya palangga. Kiss Mama B. Ang kiss si Mama. Karoon niya na Didi. Kiss na Mama. Love you, nak. Big girl naman kaya ikaw, baby. Uy, hi sa o. Gulang. Gulang. Waya. Kuy, wala na. Ham. Uy. Ay, Didi ka na. Didi na. Magbabay sa ta. Babay na siya. Babay na siya. Makadidi kasi lang mag-study sa si Mama ka-jut. So guys, we're home now. So, mom duties na guys. Nana si pangukab guys. So, Where's your teeth? Where's your nurse? Where's your nurse? Nurse na. Good girl. Where's your hair? Good job. Where's your toes? Toes. So yeah, guys, we're gonna say. Oh, what was that? Where's your tongue? Tongue. So yeah, that's it, guys, for today's video. Ooh, it's been a long day for me. A bit. Oh wait, hang on, knock. So yeah, we're gonna say bye. Give me a second. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and also give this video a thumbs up, guys, and hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye. Di siya makaulat ang bye kay Didi na. Say bye. You say bye.
Bye-bye daw.
Bye-bye, guys. Say bye, guys.
Bye, baby. Bye, baby.
Say bye, guys.
Bye, baby.
No, baby.